Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to add Google Gemini widgets to your iPhone lock screen. Let's have a look. First, you need to install Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Open App Store, search for Gemini, then tap Google Gemini. Make sure your Google Gemini app is updated to the latest version. Open Settings app on your iPhone. In iPhone settings, scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Tap Customize under Lock Screen. Now tap Add Widgets. Scroll down and find out Gemini. Tap Gemini. Here you'll see Type Prompt. Stuck on a question. Type anything right away. Slide and you'll see Talk Live. Talk things through or brainstorm aloud with Gemini. You can tap or drag to add the widget. Again slide and you will see Open Mic. Quickly open your mic to set reminders, create calendar events and more. Also you can see Share Image. Choose an image to get more info, create new art or start a chat. Tap once to add widgets. Close Gemini and tap Done on top right. On your iPhone lock screen, tap Talk Live and start conversation.
Hello,
Hello there. What's on your mind today?
tell me about Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Man, here we go. Peter Parker's just a regular kid from Queens, New York, until he gets bitten by a radioactive spider. This gives him superpowers, super strength. He can climb walls, and he's got this amazing spider sense that warns him of danger. With great power, though, comes great responsibility, so he decides to use his powers to fight crime and help people as Spider-Man.
Great, thank you.
So, I can't play music yet when we are live, but I can definitely find that song for you later on. Do you want to add it to a playlist for later?
No, not right now.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So these are the steps to add Google Gemini widgets to your iPhone lock screen. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.